Cats are no doubt a great companion, but just like any other animal, they come in different breeds, personalities, and appearances. If you are planning to adopt or own a cat, you should know each of their qualities to be able to distinguish what types of cats fits you. Here are our findings for the cutest cat breeds in the world. Number 1. Maine Coon. Maine Coons get along well with kids and other pets and have a sweet, playful demeanor that makes them an excellent fit for families. Number 2. British Shorthair. The British Shorthair has a soft, fuzzy coat, sweet round face, and a personality that's charming and loyal. Number 3. Bengal. They may look like miniature versions of their namesake, but Bengals are just as domesticated as any other house cat. Number 4. Munchkin. Munchkin exhibit a variety of coat patterns, including long hair and short hair. Their playful personalities make them excellent companions. Number 5. Siamese. People-oriented, playful and social, these pretty cats are happiest when they are around family. Number 6. Persian. These beautiful cats have long luxurious fur that does require some extra grooming, and a shorter nose that means you'll need to watch out for any respiratory issues. Number 7. Ragdoll. Many people consider ragdolls one of the cutest cat breeds around thanks to their striking blue eyes and fluffy coats. Number 8. Scottish Fold. This breed is moderately playful and bonds closely with their families, and their temperament is calm and largely undemanding. Number 9. Burman. This cute cat breed is intelligent and tends to the quieter side, but loves people and exhibits a sweet and agreeable personality. Number 10. Russian Blue. Moderately active and politely playful, these beautiful cats always look a bit like they are smiling, thanks in part to the slight upturn of their mouths.